For power utilities around the world, trust begins long before equipment is installed in the field. It begins on the factory floor, where every component, process, and inspection defines long-term reliability. At JZP, distribution transformers are manufactured in a controlled industrial environment, where processes follow defined standards and quality requirements. From core assembly to tank fabrication, each stage is managed with consistency and traceability. JZP 3-phase oil immersed distribution transformer cover power ratings from 10 kVA to 35 kVA, with voltage levels ranging from 2400 V to 34,500 V. This flexibility allows utilities to configure equipment according to real network conditions, rather than forcing the system to adapt to the equipment. Throughout production, attention is placed on insulation integrity, thermal performance, and structural durability, factors that directly affect long-term operation in utility networks. JZP 3-phase oil immersed distribution transformers are designed in accordance with IEE and ANSI standards, supporting safe and stable power distribution. For utilities, distribution equipment is expected to operate continuously, often for decades. JZP focuses on building transformers that support the full life cycle of power infrastructure, from installation to long-term service. If you're looking for a power solution that combines reliability, durability, and long-term stability, JZP is ready to support your network. Contact us to learn more about 3-phase oil immersed distribution transformer.